get ready with me to go somewhere. Because I'm going somewhere tonight, which is today. And my mom's gonna come now. And once you come here, we're supposed to be ready. That's why I'm preparing. But I don't know what clothes am I gonna wear, so I'm just gonna toothbrush and do everything. So I'm gonna get my toothpaste and my toothbrush. Okay, so first I'm gonna open the lights. Wait. That's actually pretty, mabango talaga to, be. Sobrang bango niyan. Pero hindi niya talaga yan nagaya. First, nalagay ko dyan. Tapos, ganyanin mo. Yes, nakuha ko na po. Secondly, lalagyan natin to na toothbrush natin ang toothbrush. Tatali mo na ako para kapag toothbrush ako yung buhok ko, hindi siya mapunta. I gotta do it really fast. Hi! Okay, I got it. Pagkatapos nito, maghugas ako ng mukha. Hindi mo na kung ano yung ginawa. So, open natin to. Babasain. Close and...
Lagi ko itong ginagawa sa ano ko eh. Eyelashes.
Get ready with me.
Pinabasa ako. Isa-skip ko na lang to.
Hi guys, so wala na po. Kasi po, kinuha pa ng daddy ko ang cellphone. Kaya hindi na po ako. Pero pagkatapos nyo, naghugas na ng face. So, yun lang.